The savings add up fast. Lower fuel costs, fewer oil changes, and less maintenance mean you keep more money in your pocket. Over time, the difference can be thousands of dollars compared to a gas-powered car. And let's face it, EVs are cool. They turn heads with their futuristic looks and quiet operation. Driving one feels like you're part of something new and exciting. Sleek designs, futuristic tech, and instant performance. Touchscreen dashboards, advanced driver assistance, and lightning-fast acceleration make every drive feel special. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about enjoying the journey. When your neighbors see you pull in quietly, they get curious. People want to know what it's like to own an EV, and you become the go-to expert on the block. It sparks conversations and even a little envy. The more people buy EVs, the more others want to join in. It's a ripple effect. Friends, family, and coworkers start to consider making the switch when they see how easy and fun it can be. It's a real shift in what people want from a car. People are looking for cleaner, smarter, and more efficient ways to drive. The old rules don't apply anymore. Drivers want something better. The EV wave is here, and it's only getting bigger. As technology keeps improving and more people make the switch, electric vehicles are set to become the new normal on roads everywhere. The future of driving is electric, and it's happening right now. Let's talk money. When it comes to owning a car, the costs can really add up. Fuel, maintenance, repairs, and more. But what if there was a way to keep more of your hard-earned cash in your wallet every month? One of the biggest perks of driving an electric vehicle, or EV, is the potential for huge savings. It's not just about being eco-friendly. EVs can make a real difference to your budget. Think about gas prices for a moment. Filling up a traditional car can easily cost you hundreds of dollars every single month, especially if you have a long commute or drive frequently. And with gas prices always fluctuating, it's hard to predict your monthly expenses. With an EV, you're swapping out those unpredictable gas bills for the much lower, more stable cost of electricity. Charging your car at home is not only convenient, but it's also significantly cheaper than filling up at the pump.